Here is a slice of our Yukon Gold and sweet potato shepherd's pie with ground beef and Italian sausage.
Our shepherd's pie is going to have a twist. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous Chef Ian.
How you doing today?
And today we are making, guess what? Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie / cottage pie / French Canadian pâté chinois. So now your traditional shepherd's pie has lamb in it to be called shepherd's pie. Now it comes from when the shepherd is like actually herding the sheep. So that's why they call it shepherd's pie. But I couldn't find lamb, so I went with your traditional ground beef.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Well, we got Yukon Gold and sweet potatoes for you. So we're adding a little more flavor to your life, a lot more vitamins and health to your life.
And here are a list of ingredients.
So we've already peeled a lot of our potatoes already, and we have it in our broth, but I just kind of want to show you the process. Yukon Gold potatoes are generally small, but these are the baby ones. So I'm going to show you, what I do is cut it down in half, and then half again. So it comes out to be these little quarters here. So the best way with sweet potatoes, it can be a tough vegetable. So the best way is to kind of get a good grip on it with your knife that you see that's not moving. Your knife is already in it, stabbed in it. And you want to flatten it down, cut over. We're going to do it again. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. The smaller you cut them, the faster they will cook. There we go. And now we're just going to put it in our broth. There we go.
We are cooking our ground beef, which has some garlic, onions, red and green bell peppers, mushroom, and some spices and seasonings. We've whipped up our sweet potato mash in our mixer, and now we have whipped up our Yukon Gold potatoes in our mixer, and we are adding some evaporated milk. And now we're also going to add in some heavy cream, and we're going to give it a little seasoning with a little salt and black pepper and butter. Here are our ingredients.
Our Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. Our sweet potato has the same thing in it far as cream, butter, and evaporated milk. Our sausage, as you know, when you do shepherd's pie, everything has to be pre-cooked. And so our ground beef has our bell peppers of red and yellow in it because of colors, and mushroom and onions and garlic already. And we have our green mixed vegetables here, which has our green beans, our carrots, our peas, and our corn. So we have a variety of color here. We have fresh mozzarella, and we have white and yellow cheddar. But I'm telling you, super yummy with all of these ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to layer our Ian and mine's.
Thank you.
Shepherd's pie / cottage pie / pâté chinois.
Pâté chinois.
The mashed potatoes to kind of spread out a little bit. So this is our base. So cheese is basically our food glue.
Yes.
To make everything bind and stick together. So E, what you're going to do now here is that you're going to put yourself a little cheese. You're going to have your Yukon Gold on the top, so you're going to keep it looking white.
Spread it around?
Yeah, spread it around.
Okay.
So you just kind of want to make a thinner layer in the bottom because you're going to be layering it with your meat and your sweet potato. You want to go ahead and put your mixed vegetables.
Mixed vegetables, sure.
Okay.
Take mine over here for that.
I'm going to put some sausage in here.
Turkey sausage.
Turkey sausage,
Turkey
yeah.
sausage. How many turkey sausages?
Our sweet potatoes. $3.75 for 22 minutes.
Okay.
Just so really you can kind of get the cheese to melt because the food is thoroughly cooked, but we're still going to be able to add our meat.
A lot of our...
all that vegetables in here. The mushrooms and stuff.
Onions, mushrooms.
The onions.
Bell peppers.
Yes. Now I'm going to flatten this just a little bit.
Whipped up fresh mashed potatoes.
Then we're going to actually sprinkle some mozzarella here. And I finished assembling our shepherd's pie, pâté chinois, cottage pie. And we're now going to put it in the oven on 375 for 20 minutes. Just so really our cheese can melt. 22 minutes, maybe even up to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. And so what we did was that we finished it off with our Yukon Gold mashed potato as the last layer of potato, and some fresh Parmesan, as well as some fresh mozzarella. Well, Ian, look at our shepherd's / cottage / pâté chinois. And I cannot wait to try it because this is our own version. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Oh my God.
This is really good. Let me tell you something. This is honestly really good. Imagine the two potatoes together, and you have the two meats married to, and all that veggies in here. It is so good. Gotta try it. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug. And what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Subscribe. And comment below and hit that bell notification so you can know every time we upload a new video for you weekly. And guess what? Share this video with your loved ones. Sharing is caring. You know, everyone's always looking for something new, something fresh, something exciting. This is it. This is it. Try it. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Love you, everybody.
Me too.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.